By using the greedy technique, you have to find the optimal scheduling for the following jobs, like job scheduling problems, which n is equal to 7 means there are P1, P2, P3, P4, n job is there, and then profit is given, and there is deadline is given D1, D2, D3, and so on. D7 is 133, 4121, and so on is given, like 7 jobs, and that 7 profit is given, and there 7 deadlines is given. Getting? So a step by step I will do it. What you have to do, first you write the profit here in the ascending order. So profit is ascending order, which one? So tell me. 38 first, then 20, 18, descending order, sorry, 6, 5, 3 and 1. This is descending order, right? Next, jobs you write it. The 38 was which one? P7, P4, P3, P5, this is P2, P1 and P6, right? This is P6, one is what? P6, correct. And the deadline, also deadline, write it respectively. 1, that P4 is what? P4 2 is 4, no? 4, 3, then 1, this is 3, 1 and 2. Getting here? So what you have done in the step 1, we have written the profit in the ascending order, and that respective job and deadline we have mentioned down it. Getting here? This one down. Okay, this one, sorry, you have written here. Okay, understood this one, profit, jobs and deadline. Now in the step 2, you have to create an array. Okay, create an array J which store the job. Okay, initially you have to consider as initially J will be all are 0. Okay, this is the J array for the 7 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. We have initialized these values. Okay, this is one job, the second, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Understood till here? So we have created the 7 array elements, which when we will mention here, first initialize all the values of this job store is 0. Getting? So now in the step 3, you have to keep updating the values of job. Step 3, add ith job in array, this one J, add the index denoted by its deadline DI. Okay, so we have chosen the first job is what? Which one? 7th, right? P7. The deadline of job is 1. The deadline of job is 1. Okay, so hence insert P7 in the array index. Understood? So which one array we have created here? This 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this value is P7. Getting? This one on to you check out in the step 1. I will delete it because that I have to every time I have to use it. PF step 1 what I have written, I will write it here. Step 1 when I did here, so I already initialized profit, that profit, job and deadline I written no step 1 in the this descending order, 38, 20, 18, 6, 5 and 3 and 1 was there, no, 3 3 6 1 7, yes, and this is P7, P4, P3, P5, P2, P1 and P6, and deadline was 1 4 3 1 3 1 2. This one was there, no. So in the first one, which one is there? The job is P7, so I added P7 in the first index. Getting? And the deadline is how much? 1. So I written here the deadline of the job is 1. Hence insert the P7 is index array. So I added here. You will come to know step 3, 4 I will do it, no 4, 5 then you will come to know. Step 4 check out. The next job is which one? P4, P6 is where you are saying P6 is there. This P6. P4, next job is P4. P4, okay. So insert in array, array J. So I will write it here, and deadline is how much for there? So I will write first 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is P7 already was inserted here, and the here deadline is 4. So I have to insert this one in the 4th position. P4. Getting? Next step 5. Next which one? P3. So so first to create the array first here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 minute. P7 is there, this one, and which one previous? 2 3 4 5 6 7. Last value as you P4. Now see here P3 P3 is which one? How much is there? 3. So in the place of third P3 I will write it here. We'll see P2. We'll see the P2 later. Will so where P2 comes here not come. We'll see later. Step 6 first. So next which one? Again array I will create it here. First the old value insert it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is what P7. This one was P3. This is P4, right? Now P5 is there, and you have to insert in the which position? This P5 is there. P5 insert in the first position. Already first position is what? Already fulfilled. So you have to skip this one. Skip means I have to go to the next. Next P2. P2 have to which have to do in the which position? Third position. The third position also is what? Fulfilled. So you skip it. Next P1. P6. P6 is what? In the second position. So you have to write it in the. This is what? P6, and this will be the order. Thus the like step 7 whatever write it here. We obtain the job sequence. sequence is equal to 7 2. Okay, 7, sorry, 7 how much? This 2 only, no? P2. This one P2 was there, P6 was there. 7 6 and how much? 3 and 4. 3 and 4. This one. Getting? So this is the step by step you have to follow in the examination. That's why this method is what applicable. Otherwise, another method also you can do by the tricks. Okay, see here, this meaning is what you have to do. If any person, if you got the job, again they can't get it, right? Like consider you can write it like this way. P7, the P7 7th job, the first person has got it here. So again cannot go, again same job can't go, get the another person. That's why you have to skip it, this one. You do by this method only because examination you have to solve by this step.